Now, let's talk about human
Shear
nature.
my ass, bitch. Yeah, make me naked. Make me a naked fucking skin sheep. And run that thing all over my ass. Yeah, fuck yeah!
Okay, I'm not doing this.
Well, come on, dude. What's
No,
your problem?
I'm not gonna do it. You're freaking me out.
You can't stop. You're like halfway done.
I don't care.
You can't leave me halfway sheared.
Shorn.
Halfway shorn. You can't do that. Come on, dude. Don't be a douche.
Okay, fine. But I swear to God, if you keep doing
I will. I promise.
I'm not doing it.
Relax. It's all good now. It's all good. All right. Oh fuck. Oh my God. Fuck yeah. Fucking shear me the fuck up. Oh yeah. I'm so fucking hard right now. Shit. Got a big fucking cotton boner. Fuck me with that thing. Fucking shear my asshole. Shear around my fucking asshole. Shove that fucking thing up my ass. Stick it up my ass immediately. Stick me up the ass with that. Shear me up the ass. Do it.
I'm done.
What?
I'm done.
What the fuck?
You're not right in the head. I'm done.
You jerk. I thought we were friends. Oh yeah. Fuck.
Now, imagine that as a human being. And that is the very definition of desire. We all have desires. Some are publicly accepted, some aren't, some are dark. And that's why we do not talk about our desires. And ang ending, hindi natin na-acknowledge yung desire na yun at lumalaki siya doon sa background ng mga utak natin until such it becomes powerful enough to influence our own decision and moves. Now, what happens is that we think, or we would like to think, that those desires does not exist. And we punish it. We punish those desires by isolation. What do I mean by isolation? We threat yung partner natin na iiwan natin sila if they do not cut that kind of desire. But like what I said, pwede mo siyang itago pero hindi siya mabubura. It is just growing at the back of your mind, waiting the day na lumakas ito ng lumakas hanggang sa makaapekto na ito doon sa mga actions na gagawin mo. Now, kung susundin natin yung mga trip nyo or idol na idol yung influencer, mga love guru kuno, if you are going to break up with every person that you are going to meet that has a desire that does not align with your value, you will be disappointed. Okay? And most likely, you are not going to find a person that will align 100% with your values. You might have common things, common values, but hindi siya or hindi sila magiging kayo. Which, yung nagtutulak na i-implement yung mga values, yung mga gusto nyo, standards nyo sa isang relasyon.